Welcome to today's video. What you're watching right now is the exciting process of converting a fuel-powered vehicle to electric. Right now, we're looking at the testing of the conversion kit. First up is the 10KW 72V AC motor. It delivers impressive power. Paired with it are a regenerative controller and wiring harness, which work closely together to ensure the motor operates stably. Then there are other supporting components: an accelerator pedal, DC-DC converter, a dashboard, and a lithium-ion charger without CAN functionality. The gearbox and half shafts work in tandem to transmit power, while the matching lithium battery without BMS provides energy support for the vehicle. The onboard AC kit can also create a comfortable environment for drivers and passengers in hot or cold weather. The EPS makes steering smooth and effortless, and the vacuum-assisted brake system ensures driving safety. All these components have undergone repeated testing in the workshop to ensure reliable performance. Now let's take a look at the actual electrification conversion process. You can see that all these carefully tested components have been installed into the fuel-powered vehicle. Look, all indicator lights are on normally, and information such as battery level and speed is clearly displayed. Every function works properly. This fully demonstrates CMVTE's professional conversion technology and strict quality control. If you're interested in fuel-powered vehicle electrification conversion or want to learn more about CMVTE's products and services, feel free to leave a comment below.